Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Vidmate on your mobile phone, the original Vidmate, and also how you can use Vidmate on your Windows. So you can see this video was shot on a mobile phone, but don't worry, if you are using a PC you are going to get this. It's very simple and easy. So just follow me in this video and you get everything you need. So now let's hop on our browser and then let's search for Vidmate. Good. So we search for Vidmate. Because we want the original version, we hop on the official website to get the original version. You get me? So now let's get going. I just tap on that and I choose Chrome, and then I hop on the official website, and this is how the official website looks like. So if you're from Asia, I think you need to tap on the English here and then you change your language, because this app is used mostly by people from Asia. So to download the app on your mobile phone, you just need to tap on the free download here, this free download, and then you're good to go. I'm not going to tap on that because I don't want Vidmate now. So that's it on how you can download it. Very simple and easy. You can use it to listen to music, and then you can use it as your browser and the rest. So that's it on how you can get original Vidmate on your mobile phone. So you don't need to hop on different websites to download APK apps just like that, and then you'll be installing it on your phone. Hop on the official website and do that. And now how you can get Vidmate on your Windows or PC. So let's scroll down here, and this is frequently asked question, and they are saying Vidmate has not been published on iOS, that is iPhones, iPad, and then on Windows, which is PC. So you cannot use this on there, but then for Windows you can use it. There is a way. You'd have to get an Android emulator. So we have a lot of Android emulators there. So let me come here, let me search one for you guys to see. So this is Bluestacks. You can use it. So when you just good, so this is it. This is how it looks like. So you just have to download it for your PC and you're good to go. You will be able to access a lot of Android apps if you want to play games. I remember I've been playing Call of Duty and the rest on my laptop by the mobile app. That's it. So the other option is, if you don't want to download Bluestacks, you can use Microsoft Edge, which is you're going to link your mobile phone to Microsoft Edge, so you'll be able to access all these apps of your mobile phone on your PC. So if you guys want me to work or do a tutorial on that, just tell me in the videos comment section. I'm going to do that. So you just hop on Microsoft Edge. Every laptop, Windows laptop, come with Microsoft Edge pre-installed as a browser. So you just hop on there, you log in like that, and then you link your mobile phone, that's your Android device. After linking it, you'll be able to access Vidmate through your PC or through your PC using your mobile phone, something like that. Very simple and easy. So that's how it goes if you want to use Vidmate on your PC or on your Windows. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, do well to like and then subscribe to my channel. And if you are old here, I'm going to say thank you for visiting me once again. Peace.